welcome back to another video at the Slime Lab. So today we're going to be making some slime. I haven't said that in a while. So today we're going to be doing a followers make my slime for me a video, and I asked you guys scent, texture, foam bead color, and you guys seem to have fun with this, and I had a lot of fun with it. So 100 likes and I'll do another one of these soon. Okay, so first I asked jiggly or thick slime. So you guys picked thick slime, obviously. So here are the ingredients. Add your school glue and then add your foaming facial cleanser because this thickens the slime up a lot. Then mix it all together. Then you're going to want to add your activator to your slime. In my recipe of borax is half a teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. I'll be back when it's all out. This is the finished slime base. After I finished the slime base, I asked you guys if you would like beads or not, and you guys obviously said beads. Then I asked you guys if you would like jumbo or mini, and you guys asked for jumbo. Then I asked you guys for a combo of the 2 jumbo foam bead colors. I asked green and yellow and pink and blue won. So then I asked you guys if you would like to add scent to this, and then you guys obviously said yes, so I am picking the cotton candy scent because of the colors. So now that we're done with this slime, I think I'm going to name it Cotton Candy Dippin' Dots. This will be in my shop, my next restock, July 16th, 2018. And if you think you have a better name, comment it down below, and maybe I'll put a poll up. But comment your name suggestions down below, and maybe I'll use one of your names. So don't forget to subscribe down below, leave a like and a comment. And don't forget to follow my Instagram and check out my shop. My next restock will be July 16th, 2018. Don't forget I will be selling at Sonoma Slime Fest, July 29th, 2018. So if you want to go and get some tickets, they're going to be linked down below, okay? So thank you guys for watching in advance, and let's get on to the video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and a subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, the Slime Lab store. And don't forget my next restock will be July 16th, 2018. And I will be attending Sonoma Slime Fest, July 29th, and I will be selling. Tickets will be down below for that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. See you later. Bye.